Hello you guys, today we're going to talk about traffic light trigger review that the device I bought for my scooter. All we have and this device right here, as you can see the picture. As you know, I always have problem with my scooter when I'm traveling, especially the traffic light near my house. It's never trigger when my scooter there. I think the problem is the scooter because it's so light is don't have enough weight that trigger the traffic light, and I always have to make a right turn and do a U-turn every time, and it's getting real annoying. I try and search the forum to see this answer or a solution to it, and a lot of people recommending that I should buy a magnet to put it at the bottom of the scooter, so when the magnet go across the traffic light signal, it should trigger the light to turn green. And you know what, the magnets cost it's not costing that much, so I'll go ahead and give it a try anyways. So I went online and bought one. They said you only need a small one, but I'm not sure that's gonna work, so I go ahead and bought a big one. And this giant round magnet is what I bought, and I installed down at the bottom of the scooter and give it a test drive a few times and see if it's working or not. It never did, and I still have the same problem that I may have to make a right turn and do a U-turn again. So I searched on Amazon. I didn't find anything. Unfortunately, on eBay, I found this guy. He's selling a device that actually gonna work, and he's from Israel. So, well, he claims it's working. So, for $55, I go ahead and buy it and give it a try and see how it's gonna help me solve this problem. So what I did, I installed it right that frame right here. So I taped I and then I installed it right there, and then the two power wires going to tap into the back brake light, and then there's another port on the device that for an antenna. So what I did, I route all the way to the bottom cover at the bottom. The antenna is very flexible, so you can turn into any shape. So I turned to a square shape, which I use electrical tape to tape it down to the bottom plastic cover on top of this plastic cover here, so it's close to the street. Um, Now there's a static light cable that I route all the way up into the scooter, and all the way up into near the clock right there under there. I pick a red color, which is I search online. It's a red color is very visible even in the red sunlight. So that's what I did. Now it worked pretty well. I mean, I tested a couple of times and it worked great. And now let me show you how I route it again. So the light is near that small clock, right, and the cable for the satellite all the way going down, and go up into right there. I zip tie the device into the frame, and then I tap the power wire into the backlight, the back brake light, and then the antenna cable going down to the bottom cover. So the guy the seller recommend that I put as close as possible to the ground so it detect better. So that's what I did. Now let me show you how it works. So every time when you turn on the power or the device have power, it should lit the light. The static light should be lit for about 1 to 2 seconds and turn off. If you have the light that lit and turn off and it's blinking, that means there's something interfering with the antenna or something wrong with the power. So if you see it blinking, that means it's not working. You have to try to route your antenna somewhere else. But if you see the static light turn on and stay on for 1 to 2 seconds and then turn off, that means everything is working and it's ready to go. So just make sure you're noticing that. So now if you got that right, and everything should be good. Like I said, this is just part 1. Part 2, I'm going to show you how this device in action But for right now, I just want to let you know there is a device that actually working time, and it's great, and it's perfect for your scooter. So I'll see you guys next time, next video. Okay, bye.